Mazda RX8 drivers are different, so here are some of the things to separate normal drivers from Mazda RX8 drivers like me. Driving.
Hey, so why do you drive like such an asshole?
Oh, you know, I gotta redline my car, spin the carbon out, gotta preserve my engine, rotaries. Pre-mixing.
So, what octane gas does this thing take? What are you doing?
Getting gas, duh.
And why are you pouring oil into the gas tank?
I don't know what you're talking about. I give it 93. Dealing with hate from every kid ever. What's up, guys? So I just got some new rims for my RX8, and they're powder-coated silver to match my silver and black color scheme, and you know, I'm really liking them. And
LS swap it!
What? I'm just talking about my wheels for my RX8.
Right, sir!
And it's got these Pirelli tires. They're made from a really soft compound to maximize traction.
It's got a shit engine!
Well, it's not that bad if you take good care of it, maintain it. They last pretty long.
Your car is slow!
Where's your car, mate?
I have a 1,000 horsepower Lamborghini back home!
Maintenance.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm doing an oil change.
Didn't you just do one last week?
You pissing engine nerds are hilarious. Breaking down.
What happened?
Dude. Blew my apex seal. It's the third one this week. What's up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to take care of your RX8, and for more videos on RX8s like mine, just check out my channel. Also, if you like, I'm just gonna redo.
Comedy.
Comedy.
You like comedy?
If you like comedy,
Yeah.
check out Jake's channel.
Check it out.
I'll have a link in the description. Make sure to go over there and subscribe and watch his videos.
Yeah.
I know you're not going to do it, but
Do it. Hey, hey.
you're doing it.
Do it. I swear.
Do it. There you go.
I will
All right.
find you.
Yeah. All right. Check it out. Please support him. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, leave a like. I don't know. Do whatever you do.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So I'll see you in the next video.
See ya.